अस्सलामुअलैकुम, मेरा नाम मनाहिल मुदस्सिर है और इस वक्त मैं मौजूद हूँ इकरा यूनिवर्सिटी इस्लामाबाद में। और जैसा कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर इकरा यूनिवर्सिटी में बहुत खूबसूरत और छोटा सा ग्राउंड बना हुआ है। और इस ग्राउंड में 2 मैचेस हो रहे थे, तुर्की वर्सेस नाइजीरिया। तो जो तुर्की था उसके 4 गोल हो चुके हैं और जो नाइजीरिया है वो अभी तक 2 पे बैठा हुआ है। और अभी इस ग्राउंड में मतलब इस टीम में बहुत सारे झगड़े भी हुए थे और कुछ फाउल भी हुए थे, जिसकी वजह से प्लेयर ज़ख्मी हो गए थे। लेकिन मेरी दुआ है कि इंशाल्लाह नाइजीरिया जीते।
Here goes Arda trying to hold the ball. Free kick shot taken, and that was great stuff from Nigerian goalkeeper.
Sorry.
Brave goalkeeping. Now here's Nigeria again. It's a miscue, but here's Arda for the recovery. There's a chance. Great pressure applied. Great pass. Chance for Nigeria, but to the right angle. Here goes for the shoot and chance taken, but
You'll make a big phone.
He has to come 1,000 and then he will be content to post the video.
here goes Yasin. Yasin again with a great lovely football, but intercepted there by Nigeria. Now here comes Nigeria from right wing side. Great football, great chance. Game week starts from Turkey, as is Arda from the wing side. That's a great clearance. Gentlemen, now we welcome the guest, the second guest of the night, Mr. Saad Sadiq. Nigeria is a tight angle, great focus defense from Turkey. What a lovely shot was postponed. Could have been 2-1, but not this time. And he must be chasing for the hat-trick tonight, ladies and gentlemen. As it stands, Turkey goes up for the 3rd place. As Nigeria starts the game again. That's a great vision. Chance for Nigeria. Great lovely flick, but great recovery. It's a beautiful pass. It's another chance. Great block from the defense of Turkey. Another turn for Nigeria. They are pressing the game, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great pass. It's a very narrow Turkey against Nigeria, but the 40 of Nelson so far. Going for Nigeria in the biggest position. Here's the captain. Looking for a cross, maybe pass, or maybe footwork. Yes, there he comes. It's a bit of a traffic right here. Great defense from Turkey. Here comes Nigeria again. Another interception made. Now here's Arda changing the Nigerian captain that's throwing for Nigeria. Here's Nigeria. Trying to do another football but a foul to
अच्छा जी, मैच जो है रुक गया था क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो है फाउल हो गया था, इसको जो है लग गई थी पाँव पे। और इस मैच में ना बहुत सारे झगड़े भी हुए थे और फाउल भी हुआ था, इसलिए ये गिर गए। अभी मैच कंटिन्यू होने जा रहा है। कंटिन्यू
It's the full Turkey and Turkey secure their place, the 3rd place in the tournament. The full-time score is Turkey 4, Nigeria 3. What a Pass Meri. Go for a shoot. Great block. It's a tight defense side. Great clearance Meri.
40 years ago.
Turkey playing the right ball.
To get him to play with us.
Now here's Turkey. Now he's got great space to run forward. Look how step forward right here. What a great football, ladies and gentlemen. Now here's Arna from right side. Yassi here, but center forward. Here's Arna again. It's top for Arna. Miscued. That was a great chance to put his team on the lead.
Next tournament.
Oh, next tournament.
Right.
They were trying to go for a break. Here's Turkey again. They have bit of space to go for an attack. Great ball. And here's Turkey trying to calm down and create slow wood pauses. Now here's Adil for a shoot. Turkey. But here's here goes. It's a great pass. This is going to be a hit. Gets it again.
Test it. Tamam hadi. Tamam Semih hadi. Tamam. Bravo. Arka direk boşalt Semih. Arka direk Semih. MK boşta. Hocam MK boşta. Ya İrfan tamam İrfan arka boşaldı. Tamam.
Hadi.
Boşalsın.
Bırak Efe bırakma. Bırak topla gel.
It was difficult for him to stop the ball from the right side. It's a great side from the opening right side. Only two touch right here. Here's Arda. What a great player he is in the whole tournament. Here's Yassi. Now perfectly he holds the ball right here. Chance for Turkey. And he was about to blow my head, and I survived. Great shot, great power. Actually, I'm standing in the dangerous position, but you know I have to communicate. Cross for Nigeria! Could have been 1-1. What a chance it was. Sure, after that shot, I didn't mess my hair. Now Turkey restarts the game, and interception made. He's going for a shoot. Wide.
Yes,
And here goes Turkey again, coming from left wing side. Mystery pass. Goes for a shot. That was him with the post. Very unlucky this time. The referee should be calling for it. Ball goes back and given to Nigeria. The game restarts by Nigeria. It's a quick corner taken. And it goes Nigeria. Try for never attempt. Turkey again. Great interception made. Turkey trying to apply the pressure. The ball anyways goes to Nigeria. Only he needs to make a cross, a little pass. Goes for a fake shot. And is a beautiful shot from made. Turkey trying to apply the pressure. The ball anyways goes to Nigeria. Only he needs to make a cross, a little pass. Goes for a fake shot. And is a beautiful shot from
अभी वैसे ही गर्मा गर्मी हो रही है।
Abi toplanın ya.
Ya üçüncü, dördüncü full şey uğraşıyoruz. Adamlar...
He looks for Arda. Here goes Arda, goes for direct shot and the pass. What a lovely block from Nigerian defense. Great recovery. Now here comes Nigeria. But great defending and interception by Turkey. It's a lovely cross and header. Corner for Nigeria. Corner for Nigeria. Short corner taken. Goes for the tournament. Coming all from the right wing. For the chance of the goal. The score.
Aliana tam bakıraş.
We would like to announce Mr. Yassin, the player of the match for the Turkey. Congratulations, Yassin.